Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. I have some happy mail I wanted to share with y'all that I got. It's some birthday mail I'm going to be sharing, so stay tuned and I will open this for you. Hey y'all, and welcome back. I got some mail. It's for my birthday, and before I open this is from Gracie. She already sent me one package, and she said she had something else she wanted to send me. Actually, this was for my birthday, she said, and the other was just some friend mail she wanted to send me. So this was actually my birthday gift here. And bless her heart, she said it got sent back to her, so it ended up coming late. I said, oh, you poor thing. So she says my package, and then she was sending somebody else's package, and they both got sent back to her. So I felt so bad for her, because, you know, shipping is very expensive. It's not cheap now, I know. But let me show you this card first. This was sent to me, a birthday card that was sent to me from my upline, Jean Bersani. A lot of y'all know her. And she's a very talented card maker and crafter, and she does the DIYs and she's about to really get into them now because it's fall, so, you know, watch her channel. She loves fall, and she's been going to Dollar Tree to stock up on all her supplies to do her DIYs for fall. But yeah, she's one of the reasons I got into Stampin' Up, and I just love her to death. She's a great friend. So known her for a long time. But yeah, she sent me this birthday card. I didn't get to show hers because hers came a little bit late when I was showing everybody's birthday cards. So thank you, Jean. I already did thank her because I talk to her all the time. But I wanted to show hers too. So there was her card. And so I'll set it right there. But let's open up this package from Gracie. Look how cute. She decorated it with all the little stickers. Happy birthday all over it. Oh, it's so cute. That is so cute. I'm usually the one that decorates everybody's package. I don't get a lot of packages that are decorated, so that's sweet. That means a lot when somebody decorates my package. Let's see if I can get in here. I don't want to cut nothing. Probably should have gotten smaller scissors, huh? I'm excited to see what's in here. I think she said something was in here though for Ella, because she didn't get it in the other package. I'm excited to see what she sent. I didn't get a lot of packages. Oh, let's see what's in here. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, look. Oh, that's a pretty envelope inside. I don't know if y'all can see in there, but it's all pretty and pink. I'll have to save that and do something with it. As my husband says, I'm such a hoarder. I had to get rid of a lot of stuff when I moved, and I tried to keep really nice things that people sent me though. Oh, let's see. Let's see, here's a little card. Happy birthday. Oh, best wishes to Tammy from Gracie. Isn't that cute? Let's see. Let me read this real quick. Oh, how sweet. How sweet. Let's see. This must be for my little baby. Happy birthday from Gracie. Ooh, this is beautiful, Gracie. You made this? Oh, it's got little paw prints on it. Oh, I love the beads. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, Gracie, thank you so much. This is gorgeous. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love this, Gracie. Thank you. I've never had anything so pretty. No one's ever made anything like this for me. You're very talented. I want so much to get into like some beadwork. Learn how to make stuff like this, but I gotta get all the beads and the charms, don't I? I keep saying one day I'm gonna get stuff and learn how. Let's see, this is in a little angel charm. How pretty. That's so pretty. I like that. A little logo charm. Can y'all see this? I'll take pictures too, but look at this. She's so talented. Y'all have to check her little channel out. She's really talented crafter. And yes, she has her own channel. She's been doing a lot. If you like Halloween, she's been doing a lot of Halloween things, like, and on TikTok. She's on TikTok. I've been watching her TikToks. And then she posts them on her YouTube as well. And they're on shorts. So she has a lot of shorts on there. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Gracie, I'm just, I'm in awe of this. This is so pretty. Oh, I really am. I can't get over these. I love stuff like this. I really do. I've always seen other people get stuff like this, and I'm like, oh, it's so pretty. Thank you so much. Oh, bless your heart. Bless your heart, girl. I just love it. Thank you. I can't thank you enough. Gorgeous. Oh, like me. Okay, let's see. This is to Ella. Let's see what Ella got. Come here, girl. Oh, and she needs one of these too. She sure does. This is so cute. Okay. I'm gonna go try this on her. This is so cute. I'm gonna go put it on her. Y'all give me a minute, and I'll take the camera off the tripod and let y'all see what she looks like in it. Okay, hold on. Okay, here she is. It's so cute. She's lost some weight. But the other one was way too small. She had one time and it was really too small. But this one's good. It's good because she's got growing room. So that's good because, yeah, she needs to gain some weight. She lost some weight. Which we've been concerned about. Isn't that cute, Gracie? Thank you. She really needed one. But she hates getting wet in the rain. She's a princess. She's a princess. She is. She's a little spoiled princess. Aren't you, girl? And she likes putting on clothes. We're now Nugget. My daughter's little chihuahua. Oh, he don't like it. He don't even like a collar. Nope. He don't like nothing. She likes it. She likes her collar. She likes her clothes. And we like it all. She'll lay at it. She don't mind. See, we like it, don't we, girl? You like it? You like it, don't you? See, we like it, don't we? Don't we? Is she not cute? So she's got a little dress on now. Oh, Gracie, thank you. She's so cute. Well, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Remember to click that notification bell for all notifications. And comment down below. And come back for more videos. Share. Always please share. And again, thank you, Gracie. I appreciate it. Appreciate it so much for your lovely gifts. Thanks to Jean for the card. And y'all keep watching for more great videos coming real soon. So I'll see ya. Have a blessed day. Ella says thank you too.